So which team you are supporting in World Cup?
Afghanistan.
Why you are from Australia and you are supporting Afghanistan? It is not fair with your country, huh? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Arshad. So in this video we are going to talk about perfect schedule for all beginners whoever want to speak English with ease and confidence and whoever want to become fluent in this language. So I'm going to give you perfect schedule that you need to follow each and every day in order to improve yourself in this language. So as well as I will provide you some resources that you can follow each and every day that will also help you to embark on your English speaking journey easily, and that will make your journey very interesting, enjoyable, and that's what we want. Because if we will create complexity in our journey, then it would this language will become very difficult to learn. Many learners do these things at the initial of time, like they think how to speak, what to listen, and what to write, and what to read, so they might confused, so then they give up. So I'm going to give you resources that you can use for every single aspect, that is speaking, listening, writing, and reading. So I will talk about each and every aspect separately. If I will talk about speaking, then I will talk about how much time you need to spend on speaking, what to speak, what need to speak, how to gain confidence meanwhile the conversation, and how to be confident before talking anything. So I will talk about these things, and even I will provide you resources that will going to help you in each and every aspect. Same thing will happen in each and every aspect, whether it is listening, writing, speaking, and reading. Okay, so let's dive into the video and keep watching this video until the very end if you really want to make your journey enjoyable. Okay, let's talk about speaking related resources. So there is a couple of application which you need to download, and I will not only suggest you, even I will explore it with you guys. All right, so first of all I would like to let you know about these app. So first app is CV, second is Fluency, third one is Speak English, and the fourth one is, it is very interesting, where you can talk with one-on-one conversation. It means video calling, which is real life. On Speak English you get 60 minutes per day, on Fluency you get 20 minutes per day, and on CV you get 30 minutes per day. All right, so I'm going to talk about CV as well as I will explore it now. Hello Siddharth.
Hi,
How are you, brother?
I'm doing great. Nice
Yeah.
energy.
Yeah. So what are you doing nowadays?
You asking about my profession, or you like?
Yeah, asking about your profession, brother.
Okay, so actually, I'm doing nothing. I'm just simply, enjoying my life.
Yeah, that's the great thing. So how long have you been using this application?
I've just downloaded like 2 days back, so I don't. I'm still exploring right now.
And you know what? Our conversation is recording on camera. So are you
Uh,
comfortable with it?
Camera.
Yeah, just
I don't.
yeah, just
I
I'm
don't see.
recording our conversation because I'm a
Oh,
YouTuber.
you're okay. You're recording it. Okay, great, great. So I don't know. Like I thought of you recording. I mean, in, like video recording, because I don't see the option here. So you're
No, no,
already
no.
recording.
It's
That is
video.
beautiful.
Yeah, it's video recording is going on. My channel name is English Gola. So where you will
Okay.
see your audio conversation. So it was nice talking with you. Just I recorded. The purpose was to showing my viewers like how this app works.
Okay. What is your name? YouTube name? YouTube channel name?
My YouTube channel name is English Gola.
English
Gola.
GOLA, right?
Yeah, GOLA. English Gola.
Is there any space between this?
Yeah, there is a space English and then space and then Gola.
Yeah, 115 subscribers.
Yeah. Oh, you have searched it.
Yeah, I'm using my laptop simultaneously.
Let's explore video conversation app. Okay. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great. What about you?
Also, I'm fine.
So what do you do?
I'm studying.
You're a student. So what is your name? Mirwes.
Yeah, my name is Mirwais. What is your name? Arash?
No, no, my name is Arshad.
Arshad is very good.
Yeah. So why are you using this application?
From my improving English.
Oh, improving English. That's the good thing. So how long have you been using this application, Mirwais?
Good. Maybe 2 months.
2 months. So how was your experience on this application as far as your practice is concerned?
It's good.
All right. So do you watch cricket?
Yeah. Sometimes I watch cricket because also I love cricket. It's very good. It's very good sport.
All right. So which team you are supporting in World Cup?
Good. My Afghanistan actually.
Which team? Sorry,
Afghanistan team.
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
Why you are from Australia and you are supporting Afghanistan? It is not fair with your country, huh?
Yeah, brother. My family is Australia, but right now I living in that my main country was Afghanistan.
Oh, your main country is Afghanistan.
Yeah.
So why are you living in Australia then? Why did you shift it from Afghanistan to Australia?
It's very good, brother, because when Taliban in our country came, after that we come in with my whole family in this country because problem was very bad in our country, but now we cannot stay in our country.
लेकिन बात ये आती है कि हाउ टू गेन कॉन्फिडेंस इन ऑर्डर टू हैव कन्वर्सेशन विद स्ट्रेंजर ऑन प्रैक्टिस स्पीकिंग app. All right, so I have a solution for this. If you want me to create video how to talk to stranger on practice app so that you can also do the same process with yourself in order to enhance your performance, so let me know in the comment. All right, so let's talk about how to gain confidence in order to have conversation with anyone else. So the thing is that, for example, you are a beginner and you will open that app and you will call directly like hello, how are you. On that time what you will feel, like you will feel emptiness in your mind, right? And you will not feel confident as well, and you will fumble a lot on that time. So what you need to do, you need to watch how to introduce myself, all right, on YouTube. So what will happen, you know what, why I am suggesting you to watch before diving into the conversation, that is preparation before talking anything. What you have to do, you have to watch some introduction related kind of video, and then whenever you will indulge in any conversation, whenever you will appear for any conversation on practice speaking app, on that time you will find yourself like you have something in your mind to speak about, and you will feel, yeah, you will be a little bit hesitate or a little bit, you know, in fear, like, oh, it is my first time, like how am I supposed to do that? But you know, your knowledge will support you because you have already know what you need to speak and what you are going to speak. All right, so in such a way you would have confidence to speak something. So you can apply these things in multiple topics. For example, if you want to talk about television, if you want to talk about traveling, so what you need to do, you need to gather the knowledge before diving into the conversation, because until or unless you will not have the knowledge about particular topic, you won't be able to, you know, survive on that topic, or you won't be able to manipulate the conversation. All right, so what you need to do, preparation before diving into the conversation. All right, because you would have the rough idea of particular thing. Let's talk about reading resources. So I am suggesting you this book, Atomic Habit. Why I chose Atomic Habit? Because the reason is that, you know what, you newly indulge in this process of learning English and you are a beginner, you know, and you need to create some habits, and this book will going to help you. It will not even make you great version of you, though it will help you to learn English as well, because reading allows you to understand the language naturally. All right, and it will also help you to recognize the common phrases and common sentence structures. So that's the reason why I suggested you, because it will going to make you best version of you, and that's what we everybody want. Let's talk about writing. It is one of the crucial aspect of language learning. Alright, what you have to do in writing, you need to express yourself in terms of your own words. You can plan your day, you can plan your next day, and you can write about how did you spend your whole day in English. Alright, on the time you would have time and you can construct sentences easily. Okay, and the second thing you can do, you can chat with your friends in English, and if someone have no one whom with they can talk with their friend in English, then I have a solution for you. You can simply go on ChatGPT and make his your own friend, and you can do chatting with each other. And if you want me to how to talk to ChatGPT in chatting, then let me know in the comment. I'll create dedicated video for it. All right. So, and the third thing what you need to do, you know, if you heard some new vocabulary which fascinate you and which is which can help you to express yourself, then write down that vocabulary. You don't need to learn all those vocabulary you heard. No, which fascinate you and which is helping you to express yourself, that vocabulary you need to write and try to use it in your conversation. All right, so this is the right, and then you will able to enhance your writing skills as well. Last but not the least, guys, you know what, this is a language and it will take time, and you know what, you don't need to hesitate to do mistake. Mistake is a part of learning language. Mistake can make you, break you, they can heal your soul, and they can change you forever. Mistake have many power once you will rectify it. All right, what you need to do mistake भाई, लेकिन उनको rectify करना है. All right, so if you found these tips helpful, please let me know in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe channel because it means a lot to me. See you soon in the next video, guys.